Making sure your time zone is set correctly is one of those small things that makes a big difference. It affects how all your timestamps display across your account. Let's make sure yours is right. Head to Account Settings, then click Change Time Zone. You'll see a list of GMT offsets. Which one you pick depends on the time of year. The US switches between Daylight Savings Time and Standard Time twice a year. In the spring and summer months, you're on Daylight Time. Look for EDT, CDT, MDT, or PDT. In the fall and winter months, you're on Standard Time. Look for EST, CST, MST, or PST. Not sure which time zone you're in? Just Google your city, state, and time zone, and it'll tell you instantly. Once you've selected the right offset, hit Submit, and you're all set. If you'd like help with this, be sure to reach out to our team.